Hey everyone, my name is Sagar. I hope you are doing great. So today I wanted to introduce with you one system that is viral affiliate marketing system, and this will help you to build your list, build your sales affiliate commissions, multiple source of affiliate commissions with a single funnel. Now let's start and wait till the end. I'll give you a complete funnel so that you can start building your business and affiliate commissions. So here, I just wanted to ask, like, what is the most important thing of any business? And as you know, like I just share with you that list building, right? Building a list, but you don't know that how I can build your list, how I can build my list. And sometimes it happens that uh, you even know that okay, I can build my list with creating lead magnet like ebooks, mini course, but you don't know like what to write, and sometimes you feel that a false belief you have that okay, I have to have some expertise in it. Now I'll give you the complete done for you system, but you have to just import into your system your funnel, and you are good to go. So I have almost done 95% of your job. Now you have to set it up with your marketing system. So what is this viral affiliate marketing system? Right. So this is very easy to implement and sustainable marketing system, and it will definitely remove your top excuses like you are doing from the past, that it is very hard to come up with a lead magnet which collect email IDs, and I don't know how to design high converting opt-in page, squeeze page, landing page, whatever you call. And I hate writing, like I don't know like how to write a good engaging uh, content so that my list will they will take action, they will purchase from me, right? Now, this funnel, this system will help you to get access to a premium software that will help you to make more sales with your offers. Now, and the second thing that you will able to use the software as a lead magnet. I'll tell you how it will. And you can earn potential commissions from ClickFunnels and your autoresponder and another software in the backend. I'll tell you what that software is, and get the done for you email swipes, which will help you to get multiple sources of income when they you send emails in their journey, right? So this is called happy birthday funnel. Sounds crazy? I'll tell you what. So this is a basically happy birthday extension, and this extension help you to send like post happy birthday wish to your friend list. Now sometimes what happens, like why this uh, the extension is very much important for you, for your marketing, I'll tell you. So this happy birthday extension you can use as a lead magnet. Now you ask, okay, why someone need this extension? So it helps you to grow your marketing. If you're a marketer, it can definitely help you to get more eyeballs, more organic leads, more organic sales. Now, like, let's suppose you post something your friend's timeline, like happy birthday, you wish something birthday with your mm, uh, with your friend timeline, right? Uh, so but your Facebook, sorry, your friend replied that okay, thank you. But Facebook sees as a two-way interactions is happening. Now, what you'll do is whenever you put out some content in the future, Facebook will show to your friend, right? So this is how the organic marketing works. You need to understand the algorithm of mm, Facebook so that you can sell more and more, right? Because Facebook doesn't show your content to everybody whenever you just put out content. Sometimes you can feel, okay, I don't get any likes, very few likes, 5, 10, something like this. And sometimes it goes up to more. And how this happens? This happens only the based upon the organic algorithm. So it started showing off your content with your friends and getting more eyeballs to your content. So what if I give you this software for free? So basically, I how I can give this software as a free, because I got this software to give away for free, because the original creator of this software, Alan Dean, he sells this software as for $47, right? $47 is a premium software. But I talked to one of the ClickFunnels, a super affiliate, Chris Fong. So we had a discussion that I can give you this for free to help you to build your email list. Now, it is not only I'm giving you as a free, I'm also giving you as a private label rights so that you can rebrand yourself and give it as you, that you are doing building these funnels and you are the owner of this funnel, right? So normally, if you go for a private label rights, sometimes PLR products, anything, like it costs you so much of money, right? It sometimes it's got recurring from $100 to $500, but you can use this to grow your organic marketing and give away funnel to your build list and offer this as a bonus. You can also offer to your affiliate products, okay, this you can, if you purchase this product, I'll give you this software as a bonus. Now, happy birthday funnel. So basically this funnel is designed such a way that, like, I it will definitely help you to build your list, as well as in the back end you will get commission from ClickFunnels or your autoresponder and friend of foe. Now, if you do not know, sorry, I'll just share like this all how you will get the commissions. When you download this software in the link description below, that's so that you will get complete information how you will get the commission and how you can private label with your brand. The third is friend info. Friend info is a also premium software. So basically, it helps to like someone to if someone send you a friend request, it sends them a custom message of your choice, and you can start conversation. Like, you do not want everybody to send you friend request, because there is a limit to it, right? There is a limit, there is a limit to it, and it sends a custom message that okay, you can do you know me, do you read my any of my content, so that actually it helps to like uh, grow uh, your friend list, right? So friend co is optional, and it will but what to get access to affiliate, you have to purchase this software. But I would strongly recommend that if you do not use this, then you will lose some of your affiliate commission, because it goes back to somebody who purchased earlier, right? That is the thing. So if you include this, so that your complete funnel will set up and you will get the full potential of this funnel. To get full earnings potential of this funnel, yeah, definitely you can put your affiliate link. And the last one thing that you will get from this funnel, that is email sequences. Like there is a 5-day pre-designed email sequences is given to you, and day 4 is very much important, so that you will get traffic to your funnel, right? You set it up your funnel, but you do not know how to get traffic. So there are so many ways how you can generate organic traffic. So I'm not sharing with you any kind of paid traffic. If you know, you can run, but I will tell you only the organic traffic which help you to build your list without paid ads, right? Therefore is important, so go through, so include that. And after day 5, so if you wanted to share some more value, more case studies, then definitely there is a more chances that whatever list you build, and you will get more commission in the journey, right? Now, the next step is to download the happy birthday funnel, the link descriptions below, and start building your list. So this is completely free, right? And definitely uh, you can earn more, like more commissions along the way if you implement all the system, right? And yeah, so to get this funnel, the only thing, uh, you have to figure it out, that you have to, you set up all your links, all your affiliate links in a proper way, so that you will get your commissions from each and every step of your funnel. So thanks for watching. If you have any queries in during your journey, during your funnel setup, feel free to put up in the comment section. And thank you so much, and all the very best for your uh, funnel and this affiliate viral affiliate marketing system.